currently now we're 250k more. In fact, we're more than that. We're nearly at £1 million now. This year we will do 1 million, and then next year we want to do 1.2 million, hopefully grow the business to 1.5 million and get the systems operations and get different people into it so I can free up my time and buy my time back. Hi, I'm Michael from a company called M&R Plumbing and Heating. We're based in Bolton. We're a plumbing and heating company. Before I joined the Trade Mastermind, was turning over about 600k. I kind of hit my ceiling. The confidence wasn't there. I was looking at every other company rather than looking at my own company. When I met Joe and the team, they kind of wound me a little bit in, had a look at what I had to do, look at what I was doing wrong, and they kind of give me a pat on the shoulder, I would say, and said I was doing okay. And then we grew from that point where they got the confidence in me, they got my mindset right. I'd hit the ceiling of about 600k. I never thought I could get past that because all the objections that I was meeting on the daily was causing me nothing but anxiety. So when I came along, I listened to what they had to say. I followed a few strict, stringent things. I think the boiler event really helped me because, again, just how to sell and confirm that I was selling correctly, I wasn't doing anything incorrectly. And currently now we're 250k more. In fact, we're more than that. We're nearly at £1 million now. This year we will do 1 million, and then next year we want to do 1.2 million, hopefully grow the business to 1.5 million and get the systems operations and get different people into it so I can free up my time and buy my time back. The biggest benefit that I've found joining the Trade Mastermind is being around like-minded people, having someone to be accountable to, coming down, speaking to teams that really understand the industry. Any question I've got, ring Joe, speak to him, ask him, he will direct me and tell me exactly what I need to do. Chris has been amazing as well with the strategy of looking where your money, what you're making, are you actually making any money, what profits you made. I didn't really think about profits before I joined. Paul Selman, he's been on the journey before I came on the journey. He's managed to get out of the industry. My objective is probably to do something similar to that. I may not sell just yet, I may just take a salary out of it, but it just goes to show that if you put your mindset to it, you listen to the advice, you'll get where you need to go. Anybody who's stuck on the fence that's unsure about coming down to one of the 7-figure boiler events really needs to do it, because yes, it's an outlay, but if they follow it and they follow the blueprint, they'll get exactly where they need to go to. And also, when they walk out that room, the spring in the step, should I say, I think everybody that's been there, I don't think I've ever met anybody that's not gone away thinking that that was crap or they've not got something out of it. I think ultimately, if you come and do it and you follow that blueprint, you will get where you need to go.